everyone, welcome to another episode of Captain Drone's non-scientific drone camera test. So today I have the DJI Inspire 2 and the DJI Mavic Air 2. They're both from DJI, so a lot of you watching probably think I'm a DJI fanboy. Those would be the people that don't watch my channel. But guess what? I do have a DJI hat. Check this out. I got a hat that says DJI, but I'm not going to wear it at the moment. Anyways, so this is non-scientific. I'm going to throw both drones up in the air, all settings on auto, show you what the camera looks like, and you just decide if this little Mavic Air 2 looks on YouTube as good as this big name brand monster size cinema camera. All right, here we go. There's the Mavic Air 2. It's at 3 meters above the ground. How stable is that? The DJI Inspire 2 has a tendency with wind to bounce around in the air, so take a look at the image. Does it look like it's pretty stable? Is the gimbal keeping it pretty still in the air? The Mavic Air 2 is a really good drone, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty stable. Now, the next thing to look at is the colors. Check out the color of the sky, check out the color of the grass. Does it look natural to you? Check out, I'm wearing a blue jean jacket and a white t-shirt, black hat, super white skin. How does that look? Does it all look exactly as I just described it? Now let's switch over to the Inspire 2 and see what that looks like. Here we go. All right, there we have the Inspire 2 up in the air, and here I am again. Check out the color of the grass, check out the color of the sky, and my white shirt, white skin. And check out the Inspire 2. There's a bit of a breeze. Is it moving from side to side? If I stand really still, can you see the image moving from side to side slightly? It's a bigger drone. Big drones tend to move a bit in the wind. So that is the image you get with the Inspire 2. So how does that compare to the Mavic Air 2? All right, the DJ hat is back on because this test is finished. So what did you think about the Inspire 2 and the Mavic Air 2? Did my little Mavic Air 2 over here, does it wear the hat of having the most awesome video for the price, or does this DJI hat go to the Inspire 2? Anyways, leave your comments below. This is totally non-scientific, just for fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't have either of these drones, links are below. Go buy yourself one. Probably this one more than that one, because this one's going to cost you a mortgage payment. Anyways, take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye.